This is meteorologist Jimmy Tager with your routine Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. And today we're going to cover the period from today through next Wednesday, which is March 24th through the 30th. After we have the showers and thunderstorms exiting our area today, that cold front will finally push through and make it east, and conditions will start to dry out through tonight. However, there could be an isolated sprinkle Friday, but most areas should remain dry. This weekend, though, we will have another cold front moving across the area, and this one's going to bring some strong winds with it. We are expecting westerly wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Although there's only a small chance of showers, there's not a whole lot of moisture out there, so we're not expecting a lot of showers across the region, but we are pretty confident that it will be windy. And behind this cold front, it's going to pack some cold temperatures. We're going to have the possibility of frost Saturday night, but especially Sunday night across most areas. So most areas will see temperatures in the 30s. So if you have any sensitive plants already outside, make sure you bring those in or get them covered. Early next week, it will be dry, and we'll have a slow warm-up to closer to normal temperatures. And then only a small chance of showers on Tuesday as a warm front moves across the region. Here's a glance at the accumulated precipitation through the next 5 days. As you can see, today is our best chance of really seeing any accumulated precipitation. It's mainly 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain is expected over the eastern half of central North Carolina as the cold front moves towards the east. There could be higher amounts in stronger storms and stronger thunderstorms as the system makes its way out of the area. Otherwise, there is no significant rainfall expected through next Wednesday. Talking a little bit more about that rainfall for today, we do have an update from the Weather Prediction Center, and that's why this graphic looks a little different than the rest. So this was put out not all that long ago, and they basically added a marginal risk of excessive rainfall, and that just means that isolated flash flooding is possible in this area. Besides this, as we get into Friday and Saturday, we aren't expecting any excessive rainfall across central North Carolina. We are still in a marginal risk for severe storms from the Storm Prediction Center, and that's for the eastern half of central North Carolina as that cold front moves east out of the area today. Our main threats are going to be damaging wind gusts and local flash flooding. Besides that, there is no severe weather expected for the remainder of the period at this time. Checking out the 8 to 14 day outlook, which covers March 31st through April 6th. As you can see on the map here, on the left map here, this is the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. And portions of North Carolina are favored towards below normal temperatures, while the rest of North Carolina is under equal chances of above, below, or normal temperatures. On the right-hand graphic here, we have the precipitation outlook, and it looks to be wet. We are in the above normal favored section for precipitation. Here's the drought update. Now this is before we had any precipitation move through the area with this cold front. So it doesn't take into account that, but there was some improvement for western portions of central North Carolina. However, eastern portions of central Carolina did not improve. So this may change as we get into next week after the rainfall we had today. In summary, we're expecting that cold front today to move east out of the area, and then mostly dry weather for the next handful of days. We could have a couple sprinkles on Friday, a couple small showers on Saturday as another front moves across the area, but our main concern on Saturday are going to be those westerly wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Behind the cold front is going to be some cold weather. We're going to have temperatures back in the 30s for those lows. So if you do have any of those sensitive plants outside, make sure you bring those in or cover those up. And then we are expected to be dry with a slow warm-up the early of next week with only a small chance of showers on Tuesday. But again, those main hazards, damaging wind gusts and local flash flooding today, and then frost Saturday night and Sunday.